In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the custom Crosshair on Fortnite on the Nintendo Switch. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to System Settings on the Nintendo Switch. And then in the Nintendo Switch, we're going to Internet. On the Internet, we're going to click on Internet Settings. And right here, just choose the Wi-Fi you want to connect to. We're going to click Change Settings, and on Change Settings, you're going to DNS Settings, and we're going to switch it from automatic. We're going to switch it to manual, and you want to switch it to this, to 045.055.142.122, and we're going to click on the blue button, OK. Then we're going to click on Save. And we're going to click on Connect. Then it says registration is required to use this network. And we're going to click on Next. Then we're going to click on Continue to Google. And in Google, we're going to type in Epic Games space Epic Games Crosshair V. That's what we're going to type in, and then we're going to click on Done, and we're going to click on OK. And then the first one we're going to choose. So what's doing right now, it's connecting to Epic Games. This will take a while. So it connected to Epic Games, and then if you go down, you click on this blue button, it says Get, and that's how you download your own custom Crosshair on Fortnite on Nintendo Switch.